Hey guys, Sean at Cowtown USA. We've got a 2017 Exiss stock combo with the 14-foot stock, 10-foot living quarters, and your mid-tack. Let's walk around the trailer. Up front here, we got your power jack, aluminum battery box, spare tire, propane bottles. It's got the stainless nose. Strolling down the side of it here, we've got a power awning. We got good steps. They're wide steps to the mid-tack and the living quarters. We got your horse ties. This trailer's also got a hay rack up on the roof, and it's also got a generator on it. It's got a good set of 14-ply tires on it. Around here to the back, we got your rear swing with the slide. As we go inside, like I said, it's a 14-foot stock. It's got rubber mats on the floor. It's got your cut gate. It's got LED lights on the inside. It is 8 wide. As we step over here, like I said, it's got a gas generator on it. We've got the pull-out ladder, makes it easy to get up to the top. Slip up here, we got your escape door. Like I said, horse ties on both sides. We've got your escape door with your pass-through door into the mid-tack. As we step in here to the mid-tack, we've got your saddle racks. They're all adjustable. We got several bridle hooks. Once again, pass-through door. We got your blanket bar, brush tray. Then we got the pass-through door to the living quarters. While we're here, we might as well just step inside. All right, as we step in the inside of this trailer, we're going to walk through the mid-tack into the bathroom. We've got your big shower. It's got a mirror over here in the cabinets, which is pretty nice. You can open your cabinets up. You got a hanging rod there. Then you've got more storage here with a hanging rod as well. You've got your vanity, and then there's a medicine cabinet with more storage over there. It's got courtesy lights down at the bottom so you can see what you're doing if you leave your other lights off, which is pretty handy. Then we step up here. Trailer's got a big fridge in it, couch which makes into a bed, recessed vanity or recessed cooktop, double sinks, TV up on the wall. Like I said, it's got a gas generator. It's got ducted AC and heat. Lots of storage, lots of cabinets. So guys, if you're needing a really, really nice stock LQ, come look at this one and give us a call, 573-885-6300, or go to cowtownusainc.com.